So I kind of want to talk about why I decided to change majors from physics to mathematics. So this is kind of like a blog type video, I guess, but I want to try this out. So during my high school days, I wasn't really like the best student, but I really like enjoyed my physics classes during my A levels, and I also like enjoyed my math classes. So I kind of decided to pursue physics as a university subject because I kind of want to become a theoretical physicist. Because like the main inspiration I would say is people like Neil deGrasse Tyson, and I really like enjoy Star Talks. And not Star Talks. This was Cosmos. I really like enjoyed that show, and I also like really enjoyed discussions done by Stephen Hawking. So that kind of was like my I guess the introduction to theoretical physics, especially Michio Kaku. So I kind of want to become a theoretical physicist. So that's why I pursued physics in university. And the thing is, I didn't really know much about mathematics. But in my first year, I came across this proof class for my pure math courses. So it was a logic and proof. That was the name of the class. So I took that and I actually really enjoyed that class. But I didn't really consider like pursuing math seriously, like as a become a mathematician. But I want to be still pursue like physics. But the thing is, like, I didn't really enjoy the classes anymore because yeah, I enjoy the high school classes, but as I went like to the end of my high school days, I really like dislike the physics courses, and I was like kind of hoping to like reignite that spark, I guess, in my university days, but it kind of really didn't happen. I really like kind of like started to hate physics in a way, and I was actually like started to really enjoy math. So I was moving more and more towards math, and I also like really didn't enjoy the practical ones in my physics classes because you kind of have to like write a lot of reports. I didn't really enjoy any of that. So I really like the idea of mathematics, like pursuing math as my main pursuit. So in my second year, I still like took the physics classes, but I really didn't enjoy it. So I kind of ended up switching from physics to mathematics. Now, something also I did was that I took real analysis 1, which kind of is something I didn't really have any exposure to. I thought I was going to enjoy it, but I actually did enjoy it, but I wasn't good, and I failed the class. But I also like heard that this class is really hard, so I didn't take a real analysis 2. It was a required class, but I didn't have to take it that year because I was still like confused about pursuing physics or math, and I was like not sure about which direction to go. So I only took some of the physics classes and some of the math classes, and I ended up failing the real analysis 1. So again in the next year, the third year, this year, I was still like a second year university student, even though it's my third year, because I didn't like complete all the courses for my second year. So again, like I took a real analysis 1 this time, and I also took a real analysis 2 because I was ready to like pursue mathematics as like seriously. Spoiler alert, I kind of failed my real analysis 1 again. But the good thing was like the real analysis 2 was in second semester, and I was like able to get a passing grade. It's not the best marks, but I was able to like get a passing grade. But the thing is, even though I failed real analysis 1 in my first semester of the second time taking it, I kind of actually like got an idea about what about the subject. So that's why like I was able to pass the real analysis 2. Now I have to like take real analysis 1 again next year, next semester, which is going to start in a couple of months. So I kind of am looking forward to it this time, because the first 2 times I didn't really like understand what the subject was, because even though like I understood parts of the lessons I took, but when I try to like answer the questions, when I try to write a proof, I kind of got stuck, because it's almost like it was like a different language to me, because I didn't really understood how to like where to begin writing the proof. But it's something unfortunately like I learned after my failing the class for the second time. But fortunately like I learned it before real analysis 2, and I didn't have to fail that. So that's kind of my introduction to real analysis, I guess, as a whole. And even though I failed the classes, I really enjoyed them. So also like I didn't take all the physics classes, and I removed some of the classes like electronics. I didn't take that one. Instead I did modern physics, which again like I really enjoyed. So the theoretical part I really like enjoyed. In the first year I took electromagnetism, which I didn't really like it. I guess like it's because like I had to take that same thing in high school, and it was like a little bit advanced than the high school level, but I didn't really enjoy the class, I guess, especially because there was like a practical class I had to take. So I didn't really enjoy it. So that's kind of like how I transitioned into mathematics. And math, I guess, is not more like a career option. It's more like something that actually drew me in. And as career option wise, I did look into it a little bit, I guess a lot. And in my country, like physics isn't like a huge thing, or science, I guess, as a whole is not a huge thing. So math is like a better option, because you have like the tech sector, and I'm really like kind of good at coding, so I can combine that both sides.